In this video, we will learn about preparation of hydrogen. Hydrogen gas can be prepared by various methods. Some of them are discussed as follows. First is by electrolysis of water. By electrolysis of water, water molecule is broken down into its constituent, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen gas can be obtained from water by its electrolysis. The process of bringing chemical change in a reaction by passing direct electric current through the substance in liquid state is called electrolysis. The process is carried out in an apparatus called electrolytic cell. In this cell, two electrodes are present which are kept dipped in an electrolyte and are connected to a battery. Here we have the setup of electrolysis of water. So this is acidified water, that is water which contains few drop of dilute sulfuric acid. This is graphite rod which acts as electrode. Here we have first electrode and here second electrode, that is anode and cathode. Anode and cathode are connected to battery. Now the process of electrolysis of water will take place and we will get oxygen at anode and hydrogen at cathode. When an electric current is passed through acidified water, that is water containing a few drop of dilute sulfuric acid, it splits up into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Here we have the chemical reaction. Two molecules of water on passing electricity is split into two hydrogen molecules and one oxygen molecule. The next process is by the action of cold water, hot water, and steam on metals. Reactive metals like sodium, potassium, and calcium react violently with cold water to produce hydrogen gas. Here we have the reaction. 2K plus 2H2O gives 2KOH plus H2. That is, potassium plus cold water gives potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Next is 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2. That is, sodium plus cold water gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Next reaction is Ca plus 2H2O gives CaOH twice plus H2. That is, calcium plus cold water gives calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Sodium and potassium react with cold water violently. However, the reaction between calcium and water is comparatively less violent. Next is metal like magnesium reacts with hot water to produce hydrogen gas. Here we have the reaction. Mg plus 2H2O gives MgOH twice plus H2. That is, magnesium plus hot water gives magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Metals like zinc, aluminium, and iron react with steam to produce hydrogen gas. Here we have the reaction. Zn plus H2O gives ZnO plus H2. That is, zinc plus steam gives zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. Next is 2Al plus 3H2O gives Al2O3 plus 3H2. That is, aluminium on reaction with steam gives aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. Next is 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. That is, red hot iron on reaction with steam gives ferrosulfuric oxide and hydrogen gas. Next we have preparation of hydrogen from acids. Metals react with dilute hydrochloric or sulfuric acids to produce hydrogen gas. Here we have some examples. Mg plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. That is, magnesium plus hydrochloric acid gives magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Next is Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. That is zinc plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Next is Mg plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus H2. That is magnesium plus sulfuric acid gives magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas. Next reaction is Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. That is zinc plus sulfuric acid gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Next is Fe plus H2SO4 gives FeSO4 plus H2. That is iron plus sulfuric acid gives ferrous sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Next we have preparation of hydrogen from alkalis. Metals like zinc, aluminium, lead, tin and silicon react with boiling sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide solution to produce hydrogen gas. Here we have the reactions. Zn plus 2NaOH gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2. That is zinc plus sodium hydroxide gives sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Next is 2Al plus 2NaOH plus 2H2O gives 2NaAlO2 plus 3H2. That is aluminium plus sodium hydroxide plus water gives sodium aluminate plus hydrogen gas. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.